So today we will learn about data types. So the thing is, what is data type and why do we need data types? So first, let us assume we have x equal 100 and let us assume y equal x plus 10 and we want to print y. So CW double tap. If we just want to print y, then it should be under quotation, but if we want to print the value of y, then we have to print it without quotation. So let us build the code. It's already throwing some error. It will fail. So as expected, it has 4 errors, so it has failed. So that means, see, the thing is, we know 100 is a you can hover around the 100 and it says system in 32. That means it's an integer. We know that it's an integer, but compiler doesn't know that. We have to train compiler to know that it is an integer. That's why we need data types. So if I let the compiler know it is int, so I will type int and see the error has gone. Still there is an error in y, so we have to do this again and see the error is now gone. No error. Build it again. The build is successful. We run the code. So it has builded, it has run. So the answer is 110. X is 100, so 100 plus 10. The answer is as expected. So int is a data type. So the thing is, data type is a data type specifies the type of that variable can store, such as integer, float, character. So it holds the type of the data, what kind of the data it is. It has two types. One is value type or predefined type, and another one is reference type. It is non-primitive, that means it is not predefined, it is user defined actually. The value type, we use short as a data type. It holds the size 2 byte. It's a type of integer. You can give an example of 10, 2, 3, anything. It has a range from this to this. Similarly int, it takes 4 bytes size in the RAM. There are two decimal types. One is float, one is double. We have all the ranges here. There is one character type, that is char. It holds 2 byte of size. Another one is boolean, that means true or false. So this all are the value type or primitive or predefined type. Similarly, we have a reference type, that means non-primitive. It is not predefined. We have to define it while coding. So the types are string, class, object, interface. The last three we will learn later on. For the time being, we will learn up to string. So what is the signature of data type? It has the data type. First we will define the data type, then the var name, that means variable name, and then we will value of the variable. The data type will store the type of the variable, the value will store the value actually, and the var name will store the address in the memory. So similarly, let us create a variable of long type, long L, and we have to, let's say, under quotation, long type value. So in the right line, when we want to print a statement with the value, we type the statement in the quotation, then we have to assign one plus operator and then the value, I mean the reference type, the variable name. So let us run it. We have to build it first. It's a good practice to build it before running it. So see, the long type value is this. It's as expected. So let us also give it this name, int type, give a plus. So now we will add other primitive types, that is char for the character. Let's take it as C, and single quotation, give it as M, semicolon close. Now you can now type type value C float F. The value would be, let us assume, as 9.99 F, and double for 259.99. So suitably float type value F, mark here. See the little green mark here. It says it has not assigned to any. It says it never used. So when we use any variable name in our code and we do not, we didn't use it, it will give this type of mark here. So now double type value D. Now build it and Control F5. So the long type is this, integer type is this, character is M, float type value is this, and double type all are same. These all are the primitive type. These are the maxed use in our coding. So value type. Now we will see one reference type, that is non-primitive. So let us take string s equal, you can take it as string s, and then later you can assign any value. So in double quote, let's take Pritam learn with Pritam, and closing with a semicolon. cw and print reference type value yes. Build it. run it. So see, the reference type has printed. So the basic difference of reference type and value type is, well, all value types have a fixed size. See here, the RAM size are all fixed. But with this string type, that means the reference type, we can add any number of words or anything to increase the byte size. That's why it's not fixed. It is depending on the user preference. That's why it is reference type. You can take a screenshot of this page if you want. So next we will learn the classes and objects. Bye guys.